what's going on, you guys? Yo, we are live right now. Today, we're gonna be changing out my manual transmission fluid and my rear diff fluid. Right here. For the rear diff, you're gonna want to take off the drain plug and the fill plug. You take this one off first, and then take this. Ooh, it's hot. Woo! It's hot fluid right there. We're going in. Come on, Mike. This off first, right here. And then we're gonna pull this lower one, drain all the fluid. Same thing applies. There's a T70 plug up top for the manual transmission, and then I'll show you guys when we go up top. I never had my car on a lift.
What you pulling out?
1/2-inch dry breaker bar. It's hot as balls in here.
And you get no airflow.
38 foot-pounds, man. Oh, my back.
Pull this forward, dude. Stuff's gonna start coming out?
No, a little bit. But this one is the drain one.
Yeah.
This is the top plug right here. That's the plug right there. All those metal shavings. 39,000 has been. It is overdue. It's been past due for 9,000 miles now. And all the metal shavings in there, dude. Rear diff. Pretty disgusting. But after removal, make sure all the fluid's drained out. You're gonna want to put the bottom one back in and leave the top one out because that's the fill port. For the front tranny, this is gonna be the drain plug right here. You're gonna need yourself a T70 Torx bit. Slide that bad boy right on there. And then crank her loose. $39,000 miles right here on the front tranny. There we go, front tranny. Clean all that gunk off. Not bad.
Not bad at all.
Now while we wait for the front to get done draining, we're gonna go ahead and reinstall this one, and we can probably do this one first, and then we'll knock out the front. NEC's right here, thread lubricant. Put that around the threads on the plugs. A little bit on that muff. Around. Call it good, dude. Cool. We'll find out. Fluid starts going out. Ooh, sick, dude. Now how you know it's full is when it starts leaking out. It's supposed to be like 0.8 quarts, but oh dude, this is like the best 10 bucks I ever spent. This is amazing. Pump it, pump it. Pump, pump. Oh shit. She's full, boys. Let me make sure. One more. Yeah, I think you're good. And then we'll torque it here in a little bit. That struggle, bro. I ain't made for this. Oops. Front is gonna take 3.5. Dipstick, it's gonna be hard to see, but it's all the way up here. Yeah, and Brian maxed it out. It's located up there on the right hand side of the tranny, right below the intercooler. That's gonna be hard to get a reading, so you just wanna make sure you put 3.5 quarts in there. All right, quart number 1, boys.